Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to use categories in new Outlook to stay organized. So let's start. Open your new Outlook and go to the inbox and simply right click on the any emails. So I just right click on the emails and click on the categories option and you will see the list of color coded categories like the red, blue, green, okay, etc. Select the one. I just select the blue category and here you can see once added the category color appear next to the your email for easy spotting. Okay. You can manage category easily also. So I just right click on it and click on the again categories and click on the manage categories option. And, and here you can see the dialog box is open to manage the category. Here you can easily manage, you can favoritize your category. Just click on the star option. If you want to edit the category, just click on the edit option and you can edit your name of category. Colors also you can change. Okay, you can give the some shortcuts also. Okay, and save it. If you want to delete any category, you just simply click on the delete icon to delete the category. Okay, and that's it. So this is a way you can manage category also. I just close this. If you want to clear the category, simply right click on the mouse, again click on the categories and click on the clear all categories. That's it. Here you can see the categories is clear. Okay. And this is the way you can use the categories in new Outlook. Okay. And to create new categories, simply right click on the any emails, click on the categories option and click on the new category. And here you can add your new category. So I just add here ABC mails list. Okay. And you can select here the different colors. Okay. The shortcut is optional. You can use here the shortcut keys to use the shortcut keys to open this category and click on the save. And that's it. You can see the ABC mail list is new category I created. Okay. That's it. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.